Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have an exciting video for you guys today. We all know Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, and we all know what happened the first round, but this is round 2, and I think it was time for redemption. Like, honestly, like, I'm so excited to try these out, and the swatches have been amazing. But first, let me talk about packaging, because sis, like the packaging is beautiful. Like, I already took everything out so I could just be like, bam. Like, it's like reflecting so much. There we go. It's like so pretty, and like it's like, it looks like high-end packaging. Like, it reminds me of something like classy but like quality. And then the box that the palette came in, like, is super cute, and it's a little drawer. Like, sorry if I keep saying like, that's my word. I feel like that's a lot of people's word. It would help if I opened it from the right side, right? All right. So it's a little drawer, and it came in the little drawer. I already took it out because I didn't want to tussle with it or, you know, like accidentally drop it or anything while trying to show you guys. It had this little slip in it, and I think nope, I didn't lose it. I got it. So it has this little slip that came in the highlight palette, and it says, "You're looking at an original. Our accent highlight," let me read this correctly. "Our accent light highlighters are made using a proprietary filling process that creates unique, one-of-a-kind patterns in every pan. This is no ordinary highlighter palette. It's a work of art. And let me tell you, honey, when they say work of art, she is beautiful. Like, from the cut along the edges to when you open her up." And I don't know what Jeffree Star was talking about it feeling light, because when I grabbed it, I was like, this thing is heavy. Like, I have Hourglass and some other palettes, and it's like it's got weight to it. Like, it's got some serious weight to it. Like, maybe like even this like is like, you know, got weight to it. So it's not like it's like something that feels cheap, so I can understand the pricing. And I'm just excited that I have a palette that's made of all colors for me. That's like exciting to me. So I just have bronzer, a lip, some liner, lashes, and my brows. I did do a quick tutorial for Instagram for this, so if you check me out on Instagram at msmoniefaye, same as my handle here, then you'll find that video there. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, because we're about to get into it. So I'm going to do some swatches. I think I'm going to do them on the back of my hand. So the first color is called Glow Up, which is the lightest shade, which is beaming, honey, beaming. So we're going to go into Made You Look. I love that name because it's like, ooh, made you look, huh? So that is a very, very pretty, like, golden shade. And then we have the more bronze, which is called Exposure, which I'm pretty excited about, because I feel like it's going to be like a really pretty deep shade. Oh, it is. And I could go like on top of my bronzer, and that's like gorgeous. And the last is more of like a reddy, rustic. You could kind of probably use it as like a blush for deeper tones. I would even use it probably as an eyeshadow. And I'm just taking like one swipe, y'all, like a little tiny swipe. And oh yeah, that is stunning. I can't wait to put this on. Oh my God. Okay, so that's this one here, and it's so beautiful, and they're super soft. Like, they're really smooth and fine. Like, they don't feel gritty at all. So let me wipe my hand off. All right, I'm trying to wipe it off. And then I also got the set with the Brilliant Luminous Powder. So I haven't really fully set under my eyes. I'm kind of curious as how it's gonna look, like under my eyes and everything. And I'm going to try to use all the colors in the palette at once. We'll see how that goes. But the set came with the brush, and this brush is the J01 powder brush. And I opened it so I wouldn't have to tussle with the little thing, but I have not tried it yet. So I'm going to take a little bit, flip it, give it a little tap, and then flip it back over. Oh, not much came out. Maybe I'll give it a few taps. There we go. Give it some love taps. That's what it needed. It's all it needed. Okay. So we're going to take a little bit on the brush. Boop, 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 boop. I might have to grab a little more. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And I'm just going to like kind of like set here. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like not like a heavy powder. Like it's literally just like kind of like to give the skin a little bit of luminosity, I guess. Like you can tell from this side that there's powder on there, and it's just like it's really fine. It's not like, it doesn't really feel like powder. Like that's kind of cool. I'm gonna shake it a little more so I can get a little more out. Hopefully, like I didn't shake everything into. Yeah, that's better. That's better. All right, so I'm gonna grab a little more and tap it off. We're gonna go on this side. And it just kind of gives the skin like some luminosity, but it's not like, you know, I don't know. It's like kind of a nice powder. Maybe my new go-to. Like, I don't know. Like it doesn't make me look like, see, it's just like brightening. Okay, sis. Okay, I'm gonna add some in some other areas, and I'm glad I got a good color because I was wondering if I should get the other shade, but okay. I see you. I feel like you redeemed, honey. But that's the other thing I don't really like about cancel culture is it's like they don't let people. It's like y'all make mistakes too, so I don't know how you coming for the next person. Like I'm just saying. So yeah, okay. I just kind of like wipe the brush off. Like that's the only thing about white brushes, and when you've got melanin skin, we all know the struggle. So I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go with the like deeper shade first, which is exposure, which is this little guy here, right here, because I kind of want to use a kind of like a bronze kind of tone, and then kind of build from there, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna have to grab some different brushes. So I just tapped it twice. I feel like I might have tapped it 2 times, so I'm gonna just dust it off a little bit, and yeah, that's kind of gonna be like something kind of natural. You know what? Let me do this side. So I feel like the lighting on this side be better. Yeah, that's like giving me bronze glow. Like nothing crazy. Like really soft bronze glow just to add on top of like bronzer. And it goes really well with my skin tone. Like I'm in love. Like yes. We can do that. We can do that like kind of like subtle glow. So let me grab some other brushes so I can show this properly. So this is a MAC 240 synthetic brush. This is supposed to be like a highlighting brush. I'm going to use Made You Look. And I think I'll do the turned on the other side. So this is Made You Look. Oh yeah. Oh, I like building color. I like, oh, this is awesome. Like, yes, honey, oh my love. And it's so smooth, and like a lot of times I feel like I have to like blend highlighters like a bunch, but I just barely like put some on there and just like, do you see this? Like, and how seamlessly they blended together? Like, she not come to play any games. Like, but then again, you know, Jaclyn and her highlighters, like Champagne Pop and all that stuff with Becca Cosmetics, we already knew. We should already know. I'm just saying. So I'm going to use Glow Up just at the very, like, tippy top. Oh man. Oh, I don't know, like, cues, like, y'all, look, I'm done. Thank you. That's all I got to say, because that just made me like I'm blinding myself looking at this thing. It's like, all right, so we're gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna use Turned On. Let me grab a different brush because I want to use this for the Made You Look and Glow Up. So I'm gonna grab one more brush because your girl's trying to do it for you. So let's do Turned On. I feel like this is about to turn me on, and I'm gonna put that. Ooh, a little much. I might have to grab my little, but that looks kind of dope. I don't know why I still use that word, don't ask me. But let me blend her in because, whew, child. That was pigmented. I did not expect that in the slightest. Let me stop using the same brush, and I'm going to grab the brush, or my foundation, and like tap that down a little bit because, whew, there we go. I could do that, but that's definitely pigmented, so be careful. Like, you know, swiper, no swiping. Like, be real careful. So we're going to add Made You Look on top of that. Like right here. Just like that. And then I'm going to add Glow Up right on top of that. Oh, yes. And I love how, like, they all blend so well together. Like, they're so beautiful. Like, bronze glow, little warm glow, bronze glow, little warm glow. We could do this. I kind of want to get those little ones because I saw those were beaming, and aren't they called like beaming light? Yeah, that worked. That worked. It did. All right, so I am gonna put a little bit of Major Look on my nose. I'm just gonna take my finger and do it because that's kind of how I always do it. Just like that. Blend it in a little bit and pop a little on top of my lip. I have to use a brush for that. Okay, I will say Jaclyn baby is redeemed. Like, y'all can stop coming for her. I'm just saying. Just saying. I don't know. Like, I'm definitely satisfied. Like, it is gorgeous. So that was a good purchase. Like, if you haven't gotten it yet, or if you haven't been able to get your hands on it yet, I mean, if you can splurge, just do it. But yeah, I'm definitely not sponsored or anything. I just was curious, and I didn't buy the first launch because I'm always curious about, like, I'm always curious about what happens with companies, because usually the first launch for any company doesn't always go as planned. Like, it's just how it goes. Like, we've seen it with multiple companies, from like J-Star to like when Morphe launched that brush collect, like you could do the monthly brushes. Like, I even had issues with that, and like brushes would just come apart, and like, it happens. It is what it is. But you live, you learn, and you move on. And I think that's a great lesson from like this whole thing. But yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. All right, bye.